This video is to demonstrate how to edit a paint protection film pattern in the Induction Cut software. Once you're logged into the software, go to the parts search box and select paint and headlamp protection, and then your year, make, and model for the vehicle you would like to cut. Once you've selected your subcategory, all of the parts will be populated in the center of the screen. To open a particular pattern, simply click on the part number and a new window will open and you'll see all the parts available for that particular pattern. One of the things installers often like to do in order to adjust a pattern is to extend the edges into the wheel well area. And on a pattern that has that option, you will see an area highlighted in yellow indicating that area can be extended. In order to do that, you can right click on the pattern and go to the Customize Pattern option. When the box appears, you can click on the Wrap Edges option and select any of the preloaded measurements, or you can customize and create your own. We'll select 1/2 inch as the option and then click OK and OK on the pattern modification notice, and now the pattern has been extended from its original edge. You can see the chamfered edges here indicating it's been extended. You can undo any move by clicking the undo button in the upper right corner and you'll see the change that's made there. As I redo it, you'll see the extended edge of the pattern. Any aspect of the pattern can be adjusted by highlighting the pattern and then entering edit mode. This will activate all of the nodes used to create the pattern, which are editable portions of the line. You can select any of these to adjust and change in order to refine the edge the way you would like it to match the fit that you're desiring. You can also use editing mode to completely remove parts of the pattern you wish not to cut, such as badges or parking sensors. In order to delete a part, you can simply highlight all of the nodes in that area by putting a box around it, and with all of those nodes and lines highlighted, you can press the delete key on your keyboard and you'll see all of those lines disappear. What is left is the original shadow indicating where the sensor was. We can exit edit mode by clicking the yellow box in the left corner, and now the pattern has been changed. In order to cut it, you can now go to Plot Selected, which will open the Production Manager, where you can verify any changes you've made. And in this image, you can see that the sensor was deleted on the right side of the pattern. You can verify your plotter configuration and roll size that you will need to cut the pattern. And once your material has been loaded in your plotter and it is ready to cut, you can click the plot button and the job will be sent to the plotter. This is how to edit paint protection film patterns in the Induction Cut software.